Today I'm going to show you how to make apple fritters. These glazed apple fritters are a perfect morning treat. Crispy on the outside, light and fluffy on the inside. If you are an apple fritter fan, you must check out this recipe and try this out of yourself. So let's get started. First, peel the skin of apples and then chop them into cubes. To this, add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. And set aside. Now blend 2 eggs with 2 teaspoons of sugar. We're just gonna blend it for about a minute. Next goes in 1 teaspoon baking soda, our salt, 1 tablespoon cinnamon, and 4 tablespoons of buttermilk. Then add 1 cup of flour. Now add the apple mixture to the batter. And stir well to combine. Heat some vegetable oil to 375 degrees. It is very important to make sure the temperature is hot enough to fry the fritters correctly. Once the oil is at 375 degrees, slide the fritters into the hot oil. Once they get golden brown, carefully turn the fritters over to the other side. This will take 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Remove the fritters one at a time. To make the glaze in a bowl, add 1 cup powdered sugar, a splash of vanilla and warm milk. Give it a good stir. Dip the fritters into the glaze. Or you can simply drizzle it just like that. Hope you guys like it. Share this recipe with your family and friends. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to keep updated.